Hi, I'm Shireen from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. Welcome to Fiorenza. This is a rare freehold condo in District 19. There are so many condos in this district, but I'm especially excited to show you this unit for 3 reasons. Firstly, it is one of the rare freehold condos in the Kovan area. If you want a home in the Kovan area because of the convenient location, and yet you're worried about buying an older leasehold property, you really don't have many freehold options. Why don't you consider Fiorenza? Secondly, the location is simply superb. Fiorenza is a mere 6-minute walks to Kovan MRT and is surrounded by so many amenities and eateries nearby. You can take a short walk to the newly opened Stars of Kovan, the Heartland Mall, a bustling hawker centre, and so much more. Lastly, this unit is attractively priced at under 2 million for a freehold property in such a great location. Now do you understand why I'm so excited to show you this unit? Let's go check it out. I'm standing here in the front patio of this 1,442 square feet ground floor unit. There are only 28 units in Fiorenza and just 4 ground floor units in total. This is the largest of the ground floor units. There are 3 bedrooms as well as a study which has already been converted to a 4th bedroom. So effectively, this is a 4-bedroom unit. You also get not just 1, but 2 patios. One at the front with this fantastic pool view and one at the back which we'll get to see later. When you buy a ground floor unit, you're really buying a lifestyle. You're someone who appreciates having a dedicated space within your home to relax and unwind. This patio would be an amazing place to chill out with a book in one hand and a glass of wine in the other. This front patio would also be great as an additional dining area. Blinds have been installed on all sides for privacy as well as to protect against the elements. So if you enjoy having breakfast or dinner by the pool, you don't have to pay for a fancy staycation just to experience this luxury. All this talk about food is making me hungry. Let's go to the kitchen next. Good things come in pairs. You have 2 patios in this home and you have 2 kitchens. A dry kitchen here as well as a wet kitchen to my left. The dry kitchen can double up as a bar counter if you need. And this sliding door here closes the wet kitchen so that the cooking fumes don't get into the rest of the house. The combined kitchen space here as well as outside gives you a generous amount of kitchen cabinets as well as countertop space for all your storage and food preparation space. The kitchen links to the back patio, and this is the door which leads to it. Opening this door lets in even more light and ventilation to make cooking at home a comfortable and enjoyable experience. The back patio looks out towards this small cul-de-sac leading to the entrance of Fiorenza. Only the residents of this condo and the 8 landed homes across the street use this street regularly, so you can be assured of peace and quiet. The owner has already installed invisible grills in the back patio, so you don't have to spend any additional money to install grills here. This back patio is an incredible functional space that is perfect as a yard area as well as a place to grow your own herbs and vegetables. I love this part because you can hang your clothes out to dry and you can grow your own vegetables to cook since it's linked directly to the kitchen. Now that we've seen this part of the house, I want to show you the rest of it. Let's go see the living room and the bedrooms. The living and dining areas have been done up in a neutral color palette of white, beige and grey. The layout is squarish with no odd corners, which makes the placement of furniture very easy. My favorite spot in this entire living room is this bay window right here, which is a cozy corner perfect for curling up with a good book in hand or for watching TV. Did I mention it also overlooks the pool? This room behind me was originally a study, but as you can see, it's big enough to be used as a fourth bedroom. Part of the original wall was knocked down and replaced with glass sliding doors to let in light as well as ventilation. If you don't require a fourth bedroom, this can easily be transformed into your own home office. In this day and age when many people have to work from home, wouldn't that be perfectly useful for you? The master bedroom comes with its own ensuite bathroom, and it even has a sliding door which leads out directly to the front patio. The master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with an efficient layout. There isn't a bathtub, which is good news for those who feel it takes up too much space and would be a white elephant. I love the colourful mosaic tiles in the standing shower area, which give the bathroom a refreshing pop of colour. At the end of this hallway are two more bedrooms as well as a common bathroom which is conveniently located between the two rooms. Let's go see the room on my left next. This is the biggest of the common bedrooms for this unit. It fits a queen-size bed, and it also overlooks the back patio where we were at just now. This bedroom is the last of the 4 bedrooms in this unit. It is not as big as the one we just saw, but its compact size is nonetheless still perfect for a kid's room or a guest room. It has a built-in study table over the existing bay window. This maximizes the room space. We have seen most of this wonderful 4-bedroom unit, but I still have something else I want to show you. Come with me to the kitchen again. This is the utility area off to the side of the kitchen. Many new condos no longer have a separate utility area. But if you are a family of 4 or more, and that's why you're in the market for a 4-bedder, then having your washing machine and dryer in the kitchen itself is really not ideal. Instead, you will need a separate utility area for your laundry needs. I have good news for you. This unit comes with a separate utility area where you can place your washing machine as well as dryer if you need. There is even a small storage room as well as a toilet in this utility space. Isn't that so functional and practical? Many people are looking for a freehold property at a convenient location at an affordable quantum. That is not at all easy to find. There aren't that many options around, but this Fiorenza ground floor unit ticks many of the right boxes. Call me, Shireen, to find out how this can be your new home. Thank you for joining me today on this home tour. See you at Fiorenza.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.